Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2015 Dodge Challenger. How this system works is very straightforward. All you do is every time you get in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, hit a sequence of buttons and then start the vehicle. So I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to turn the ignition on. There you go. Insert your push sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something very simple on this one. Double flash. Foot on the brake. Start your vehicle. Really straightforward to use. Very clever. If we now turn it off, without inserting the code now, so if we just try and start it, you'll see on this particular vehicle will start, but if we try and select a gear, it won't select, won't allow us to select a gear. If we insert the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, now we can select a gear. There you go. Really clever. The reason why we've chosen that is the customer has actually got remote start on this vehicle and wanted to start the vehicle, but it to be safe. So this is why we've put a gearbox lock. Also, when the car's going for a service, you can also put it in valet mode. The way you do this is ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. Now if you hit the traction control button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Ghost has given us 5 flashes to confirm it's now in valet mode. So if we start it, select a gear, there you go, select a gear, straightforward. If we now turn the ignition off and then go to restart it, vehicle starts, no problem, select a gear, straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, ignition on, insert your code, double flash, back in ghost mode. Also, just a quick way of actually how to change the code for a new push sequence. This is how you do it. Ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, foot right down on the accelerator, insert the same push sequence again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the indicator starts to flash, take your foot off the accelerator and select your code. On here, all the buttons here work, all the buttons here, these 2 buttons here, and the traction control button. So we're going to select something very simple. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time we push this, the indicator is going to flash. When we pause, it's going to give us 3 flashes to say it's learned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time 2 flashes. Code is now learnt. So ignition off. So ignition on. Try the new code. Or should I say the old code? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, it's not working. So ignition off. Start again, ignition on. One, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. Start your vehicle. Select a gear. Straightforward. Ignition off. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.